Hello guys, welcome back to the R6 series. Pow! Oh yes, so on the last video, you know, we had a crash. We had a crash, and on this video we are taking the bike to the shop to get it estimated, to see what's gonna get fixed on it. This is not loose. Oh shit. And now the most dangerous thing is that I don't have any front brakes, so I gotta know how I'm gonna ride. Very unsafe. But yeah, hope you guys do enjoy the ride. It's a little bit warm today, not cold, not hot. Perfect weather to go for a walk or on a bike run. Slow and steady wins the race. This is very loose. Where is this camera photo thing they're talking about? It's been a while we rode. I missed the bike. Yeah, the damage is on the side. Now I'm using engine braking and the rear brakes to guide me through this journey. And
it's quite a bit of a drive or a ride, you know, so we're gonna hit the highway and all that
Shall
good
we
stuff.
not cause any more damages? Yeah. Front brake is as important as you think it is. It feels very weird. Anyways, catch you guys on the road. Wow, the popo. Gonna do a spin around and come for me now. Let's see. Well, it's not doing a spin around. very windy. Oh, come on, not the lights again.
So guys, the place I stay doesn't have a lot of bike mechanics. So funny story, I was looking around for a mechanic. I almost took it to Calgary. But yeah, that would have been a long ride without brakes. I don't have front brakes right now because the one here broke. But anyways, I met a couple of guys and a couple of biker guys around when I was driving around, and I spoke to them, asked them mechanic shops. They recommended a few, and I'm headed to one of them right now. I would say I'm not good at riding and talking. I mean, depending, but in this situation, I am trying as much as I can to concentrate on riding, mostly because my brain is just all over the place. Mostly what I'm gonna be using to ride is my rear foot brake, engine braking, and yeah, pretty much that, because I don't have a front brake. So because the lever broke off, so right here you can see I'm using the engine braking because there is a corner fast approach, so I gotta just drive carefully, pretty much.
This is scary, that's for sure. Look at that. Woo! Taking this 2 hours away. Oh my god, that wouldn't have been a funny journey. Because man, look at that. They're gonna drive some weird shit here. I'll stick to this yellow line. Try to get away. today is such a nice day. Oh my god. Dancing with the devil. No front brakes. Wow. Woo! I'm gonna misride it. Woo! Come on now. Come on now. We are 7 minutes away. We're almost there. We're gonna see what the guy says. Nice weather, nice. Oh, it does. It looks like it's a little bit like cloudy or like dusty. I see. Yeah, dusty. We get into fall. Oh, we are in fall already. I fixed the GoPro, guys. They sent me an inbox chain mount. Told them, you know, it keeps falling off all the time, and they sent me a new adhesive for my chain mount. Let's see how long this one will last. The other ones, they just say a couple of days, you know. Once they've been struck by the weather, they get weak, and then the GoPro just start falling off. Yeah, I've only had it once where it fell and crashed. It broke the protective piece, but the camera didn't break, so that's a good thing. So now we are more focused on seeing if it's gonna last or not. Hopefully it does, because I ain't got no more strength. Engine braking, rear foot brake. I've barely used the rear foot anyways. I've just been using my engine braking since the journey, and we've been doing quite well. I mean, the rear foot brake I use it only when I come to stops like this. It's not as efficient as the front brake, but still gets the job done. Look at that bike. It's a Kawi, that's for sure. Is that Con? Yeah, it's by Con. Woo! Big lorries, all phones and games until shit goes wrong. Alright. So I feel like if you change the exhaust on this, it's gonna pop like crazy. It's gonna have an immersive bang, pops, flames. Holy, have I said it's hot? Whew. Yeah, it is freaking hot, guys. We're almost there, 1 minute away. Stop by the light, of course. It's boiling hot. On top of it, you have like excruciating heat rising from the engine. It was about time I stalled, eh? And we are here. Let's go find out what he's gonna say. Hello. Good.
What can I do for you?
You? I called about the R6. Crashed R6.
Are you dropping it off?
Yeah.